Destroy, Build, Destroy depicts deeds deemed too dangerous for the average individual and should definitely be attempted by you. These people are not trained or supervised.
I am Andrew W.K, and this is Andrew W.K. Destroy this! Facing off today, we have brains versus sneer versus balls. In today's challenge, you're going to be fucking vehicles. And just like a real fuck, it's gotta have balls. Let's meet the K.
Hi, I'm
Andrew W.K.
I'm 16,
and I'm a real team player.
and my brain works at the speed of a bulldozer, and that's really fast.
I've got a big air, and I'm not afraid to use it.
Now, you have 3 destroy options. The first one, plastic explosives. Option number 2 is balls.
Yeah!
And option number 3, the destroyer! By destroying those!
You're under arrest!
Get destroyed! But what are we gonna fucking... Well, how about fire trucks? How about vehicles? How about vehicles? Which method of destruction do you want?
The destroyers. Yeah, the destroyers.
We like more pieces. All right, sounds good. Let's pound it. Let's do this. We're gonna use the destroyers.
Destroyers, all right? They're gonna go on your cue, so whenever you're ready, tell them to go. 3, 2, 3, destroy!